Hi, good evening, everyone. Now, today we are learning separators in the print statement. Sometimes, for the programmer, it is very important to generate a well formatted, well decorated output because if you are developing a software and your output is not well decorated, well presented, then might be user will not use your program again and again. So in normal Python programming, when you are using print statement, sometimes you need to display the output on different lines, and sometimes you need to display the output with horizontal gaps. As you can see on my screen here, hello and Python. Both words are written in different lines, but while doing coding, they are part of one line command but separated by slash n. Here, slash n is working as a powerful separator to change the line. I will explain in detail. Meanwhile, I show you second output. In this output, you can see name and Python word are having enough gap between them. And this horizontal space is just because of slash t. So slash t adds a horizontal space and slash n creates a new line. Let's demonstrate it or understand it with help of some more examples. So as we know how to open ideally, we will go to Windows search button. Ideally we will type and we will get ideally 64-bit. So Python ideally is open. I will try to go to script mode. To go to script mode, I will click on File, New File, and in the new file, I will write a command print. I want to show two funny things, Tom and Jerry. Okay, this is the one of the most popular cartoon name, Tom and Jerry. I want to show another cartoon name. For example, Mickey Mouse. Okay, I want to show another cartoon name, for example, Shin Chan. Okay, so I have these three names which I want to show. But what is my condition is? My condition is all these three outputs, three cartoon names should come on different three lines. If I run right now this code, you know how to run the program? To run such Python program, you need to click on run tab, and in run tab there is a run module option. Just click it. It will ask to save your program with some name. So I'm just saving with the name second, and the output is coming in same line. Tom and Jerry, Mickey Mouse, Shin Chan in same line. No, my expectation is different. What do I want? Tom and Jerry, Mickey Mouse, Shin Chan should come in different lines. Let's see how to do that. To do that, we just apply the basic which I explained in beginning. Use slash n. You can see on my screen between the words Tom and Jerry and Mickey Mouse, I have put a backward slash n. Backward slash n will enter the new line and Mickey Mouse will go to the next line. Same way, I want new line after the word Mickey Mouse also. So Shinchan word will move to the next line. So whatever is after the new line operator, that moves to the next line. Okay, slash n is also called separator. So let's see how does it appear. So I need to click on run button, run module, click OK. Oh wow, my Tom and Jerry, Mickey Mouse, Shinchan all are coming on three different lines. And this magic is all because of new line operator. Let's do one more example. Okay, I'm writing print A slash n B slash n C slash n D. Very easy. I hope you all have understood what the output is about to come. We know slash n will change line, and here slash n has been written three times. Slash n after A, slash n after B, and slash n after D. So I know learners, you know what should be the output. Yeah, A, B, C, D is coming on different line. Let me make some steps. Okay, now, so the learning from these two examples is slash n is used to change line, right? So if we think to display some output, something like that, for example, I want to display hello and then I want world. Oh, look at this very carefully. Hello is in a different line and world is in a different line. To change the line, we will use slash n. That's fine. But is it not the word world is not exactly beneath the hello? It has some horizontal gaps also. And for the horizontal space, we use slash t. I repeat, for horizontal space, we use slash t, and for changing the line, we use slash n. So let's see how to do the code for hello world. Print. I just write print, and then we write here hello slash n because I have to change the line. Then after that, I need a gap. So I put slash t, and here I write world, and I close it. Hello slash n slash t world. Okay. I just run this code. So you can see output. Hello world is coming. Yes. Here you can see a gap is coming because of slash t, and line is changed because of slash n. Okay. So from these basic examples, we understood why we use slash n and why we use slash t. If you are okay, we can do one more example. For example, I want print DPS, not DPS, like I should take some name other, like India slash T slash T. See, now I'm using how many slash T? Two slash T means how many horizontal space? Two horizontal space. Okay. So as many slash T you will use, as many spaces will increase. Same way, as many slash N you will use, so many new lines will be added. So India is slash T slash T is great. So here we can see India is great, and I just run this code. Oh wow, you can see India is great. You can see multiple spaces coming because I use double slash t. So the words are very much far from each other. I hope from these basic examples you are clear what is a slash t and what is a slash n. I repeat here slash t is used to provide horizontal space. Okay, thank you.